Assalamualaikum students. Students, as you know, I'm doing questions of trigonometry these days. So this is another question. I'm doing this question for A is mathematics. A is math, and topic is trigonometry. Okay, so trigonometry, we have done some questions. I think 4 questions I've already done. And this is another question. Now this is, we're doing solutions and identities. So these 2 things we are doing, solutions and identities. Now, this question is from May, June 2011, and variant is 1-3. Now look at the first part. The first part says, show that this thing, which is left-hand side, is equal to this right-hand side. I'm talking about my left-hand side is this thing, and my right-hand side is that thing. Now, okay, fine. So let's do it. First, I will have to write the same thing, sine theta over cos theta plus sine theta, and plus cos theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta. So this is sine theta, sine theta, and plus cos theta. Now, these are 2 fractions, so the best way of dealing with them is this method. Okay. Happy and cross method. Now see, sine theta plus cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Now this with this, so sine theta multiplies with sine theta and minus cos theta, and plus cos theta multiplies with sine theta plus cos theta. Okay, now let's make them more simple. So sine square theta minus sine theta cos theta plus cos theta and sine theta and minus plus cos square theta. Okay, fine. Divide by, now as we know, these 2 are gone. Divide by, now there's a rule, a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So we say sine square theta minus cos square theta. Now the result for this, I will write here the result. It's sine square theta plus cos square theta divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta. And we know this is equal to 1. So we'll write here 1 divided by sine square theta and minus cos square theta, which is the required result. So this part done. Now second part is this one. This is solve this thing. So for solution, it's very clear that this thing we got. See, I always tell my students that if you are doing, if they are in the question they ask about solution, so you cannot solve the equation if there are 2 ratios involved. Like 2 ratios means, see, this is sine, that's cos. So you cannot solve this this thing. Like the value of this is 1 over sine square theta and minus cos square theta equal to 3. So if I'm trying to solve this thing, it will not be possible. So I will have to make one trigonometric ratio. Either sine theta, cos theta, or tan theta. Make one of them here, not two. So let's do it. What if I do this thing? So, see students, I want to remove cos from here. So sine square minus 1 minus sine square, which is equal to 3 over 1. It gives us sine square theta minus 1 and plus sine square theta, which is equal to 3 over 1. So it gives us 1 over 2 sine square minus 1 is equal to 3 over 1. Now cross product here, 1 is equal to 6 sine square theta minus 3. Now 3 comes here, 3 plus 1 is equal to 6 sine square theta, or 6 sine square theta is equal to 4, and sine square theta is equal to 4 upon 6, which is 2 upon 3. So sine square theta is 2 upon 3, and sine theta is plus minus 2 upon 3. So there's no negative sign here. That's just a error by mistake that came. So yes, now what we will do here, we will do two things here. Now see, one, now I'll make partition here. One solution will be done for 2 over 3, and one will be done for minus 2 over 3. So see, the rule for sine is, look, sine theta, if suppose it's equal to k, so theta is sine inverse k. This is your first result. Then second answer, see, this is the first answer. Second answer will be 180 minus this. This is first step. This is second step. It's always for sine, we always do this way. Then this is second solution. The third solution and fourth solution and fifth solution and sixth solution, depending on your period, okay, on your interval which is given to you in the question. Like in this question, we are given with this. See, this is the range of theta. Theta will be from 0 till 360, not more than that. So now see here, we will say general solution. So it's 360 and plus first answer, and 360 and plus second answer. Like that's the rule. Now see here, I'm doing here. Okay, theta is sine inverse 2 over 3 radical sine. What's the answer here? Let's check it. Sine inverse 2 over, where's my one computer? Let's do that one. Sine inverse 2 over, so it's in radians. So I will shift or transfer it to degrees because the question is asking for degrees. So that's very important thing. The question is asking for degrees, give the answer in degrees. If the question is asking for radians, give the answer in radians, and convert the calculator to radians or degrees. That's very important thing. Sine inverse, sorry, 2 radical sine, then fraction 2 over 3. So the result is 54.7 degrees. That's the first, see the first answer. Second answer will be 180 minus 54.7 degrees. So the answer will be 125. No, this is the first answer. And second answer is coming here. So 125 point. Sorry, this pen is sometimes making problems. It's 125. 125.3 degrees. Now, this is second. Now, as I said to you here, the general solution will be here. Let's find a general solution here. But we'll see whether the general solution is coming in our range or not. So, solutions. General solutions. 360, as I wrote there, 360 n plus 54.7. Now, if n is 1, it's 360 into 1 plus 54.7, beyond the limit, beyond the range given to us. Okay, so we cannot take this result. So this is not the answer. Now for second, also check the second one. I'm just showing it to you, although I know it's not the answer, but I'm showing it to you only that you understand, so that you understand it. For other question, because in some question the limit is more than 360, so you will have to then follow these steps. So 360 if n is equal to 1 into 1 plus 125.3. Now see, this answer is coming 360 plus 125.3. See, this is 485.3. If I show it to you, so this is 485.3 degrees. So see, sine 485.3 degrees, what's it giving to us? Look, sine answer. The same thing comes. See, this is exactly 0.8161. If you check that, and this is also 0.8161. If you check that thing, check that please. Fraction 203. Yes. 0.8161 or 0.8164. That's a small change there. It doesn't affect the result. So that's how to do with the solution. Now my answer will be now. Let me tell you the answer as well. My answer is answers 54.7 degrees and 125.3 degrees. Now come here. Theta is sine inverse minus 2/3. This will give me minus 54. Of course, minus 54. No, sorry, not 54. Sorry. Sine inverse fraction square root here minus their fraction 2/3, and that's the thing which is giving you, oh yeah, minus 54 point. So minus 54 point, correct, yes, minus 54.7. Okay. Now, what is the second answer? Is the first answer. Second answer is 180 minus. See, the rule is, that's the rule. I have told you the rule here. That's the rule. 180 minus theta. So 180 minus 54.7. So result is minus 180. The result is 234.7. Yes, so degrees. I remember one more thing. Always angle will be given in one decimal place. Okay, not two decimal places. So the answer is this one. Now, for general solution, 360n plus minus 54.3, sorry, and 360n plus 234.7. Now please change n values 1, 2, 3, but instead of 1, I will say plus minus 1, plus minus 3, and so on. Okay, you can say that way. It's basically plus minus. It's plus minus. That's the method. So plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 1 n, plus minus 2, and plus minus 3. Now if I put n is equal to 1 for this one, it gives me 361 and minus 54.7. The result is what? 360 minus 54.7. So the answer is 305.3 degree. For this one, 360 plus 234.7, it's beyond limit, so we can't take this. So my final answers are this, so 305.3 degrees. Negative answers we can't, because negative answers are not in our range given to us. The range is from 0 till 360. So that's the solution, and that's the these are the answers for this question. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next question, inshallah.